Ang Pasko ang siyang pinakamahabang celebration na pinaghahandaan ng mga Pilipino. Huling bahagi pa lamang ng Agosto ay nagbibilang na mga Pinoy sa pagpasok ng Bear Month. At pagtungtong ng September, bumahana ng picture ni Jose Marichan sa social media. Hudyat na nasimula na ng panahon ng Kapaskuhan. Today, we will discuss the benefits of making an early preparation for a stress-free Christmas. I'm Chris Cervantes. This is Financial Planning for the Fast-Changing World. Bakit nga ba tayo nai-stress sa paghahanda para sa Pasko kung isang taon naman ang nakalaan bago ito dumating? Unless hindi mo alam na darating ito, okay lang na mabigla. Anumang sabihin natin na ang Pasko ay para sa Panginoon at hindi tungkol sa mga ihahanda natin, natural pa ring bahagi ang gastos sa panahon ng Kapaskuhan. So why begin doing Christmas budget preparation early? Take your current list of budget for gifts, new dress, party preparation all at once. I suspect you'll thank yourself come December if you start taking care of your budget now to get ready for Christmas. Ano nga ba ang mga paghahandang dapat nating gawin? First, determine how much you can afford to spend on Christmas. Alamin mo kung magkano nga ba ang kikitain mo mula ngayon hanggang magpasko. From there, determine how much of your earning you can spend for Christmas, not how much you want to spend, or else you will end up with mountain of debt after Christmas. Ang nakakalungkot sa karamihan, Pasko ang kadalasang panahon na sila ay nababaon sa pagkakautang. Tandaan mo, ang celebration natin ay di lang Pasko, pati bagong taon. At kung gusto mong magsimula ng bagong taon na masagana, dapat wala kang utang sa pagpasok ng bagong taon. Malas yun. Second, start making homemade gifts. Kung artistic ka or merong artistic sa family nyo, this is the best time to start making a special gift for someone who are dear to you. Bukod sa mas murang option ito, mas ramdam ng taong pagbibigyan mo kung gaano sila kaimportante sa'yo dahil naglaan ka ng oras para lamang mapasaya mo sila. Try to check also your cabinets. Baka marami kang regalo na hindi na ipamigay last year na maaari mo pang gamitin sa ngayon. Third, start watching for sale items. You don't need to wait for Christmas sale. Mas stressful mag-shopping during Christmas. Ngayon pa lang ay marami ng clearance sale na nagaganap. So take advantage. You are much likely to overspend if you buy things when you are rushing. To make it easy, try setting a per person budget. Para masiguro na tama nga ba ang presyo ng mga binibili mo, subukan mo ding i-compare ang price sa mga online stores. Fourth, schedule your parties now. Get your calendar and start plotting the parties that you will be hosting or attending. If you're going to host a Christmas party, start sending invitation. Ito ay malaking tulong sa iyo upang marami ang makarating at malaking tulong din sa mga taong iimbitahan mo. At para naman sa mga darating na invitation sa iyo, matuto kang magsabi ng no. Hindi lahat ng party ay dapat naroon ka, or else expect na sasabog ang Pasko mo dahil sa tindi ng mga schedules mo. Fifth, start writing Christmas cards. I know that we are already in the digital age, but receiving a Christmas card still leaves a lasting emotional effect. Personally, gusto ko pa rin nakakatanggap ng Christmas card, but this tradition can cost quite a bit of money if you don't prepare ahead. Sana nakatulong ito upang ikaw ay mamotivate na ngayon pa lang at sa mga susunod na mga linggo ay maghanda na. I know it is a bit early to prepare for the holidays, but you will be grateful come December that you took some time to think ahead. Until next time, this is Chris Cervantes. Plan for your dreams, plan for your future, and plan for your life. And if you need help in planning your future, our mission is to help you realize it.
Hey, it's Chris. Did you like this episode? Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang episode na ito, you can do 4 things right now upang magpatuloy ang sabay-sabay nating pag-aaral. Una, you can subscribe to our video channel and I hope you do so you can learn something new from us every week. Pangalawa, you can have my book by ordering from the link below. Third, you can go to our website so you can read more articles from us. And fourth, you can like our Facebook page to receive a daily inspiration, updates on new products, podcasts, seminars, and events and everything else na di namin maibigay sa video channel na ito. Sana magkita-kita tayong muli sa susunod na episode. Until then, go out and make a difference. Make money, be wealthy, and help someone else along your journey. God bless.